Welcome to our channel. If you want to share contact information from USPS tracking with the Spectrum app, follow these step-by-step instructions to transfer data between applications. Step 1. Understand that UPSS tracking and the Spectrum app serve different purposes. USPS tracks packages, while Spectrum manages cable, internet, and phone services. Sharing contacts requires manual copying. Step 2. Open your UPSS tracking confirmation email or the UPSS website where you have saved tracking information and recipient details. Step 3. Identify the contact information you want to share, such as recipient name, address, or phone number from the shipping details. Step 4. Copy the relevant contact information by selecting the text and using your device's copy function. Step 5. Open the Spectrum app on your mobile device and sign in with your account credentials. Step 6. Navigate to the section where you want to add contact information, such as service address, emergency contacts, or billing information. Step 7. Paste the copied information into the appropriate fields within the Spectrum app. Make sure to format the data correctly according to the field requirements. Step 8. If you're adding the information to your device's Contacts app instead, open your contacts, create a new contact, and paste the information from UPSS tracking into the relevant fields. Step 9. Save the contact information in the Spectrum app or your device's Contacts app to complete the process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.